Despite the ongoing vaccine supply squeeze, more Hamilton County residents than ever are eligible to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Ohio has entered a new phase of the state's 1B vaccination rollout, which means starting today, people 70 and older can try to schedule an appointment.
I know there's a lot of frustration. Everybody wants to go today and get their shot, but they have to be patient.
That's a message Greg Kesterman has preached since COVID-19 vaccines first started trickling into Greater Cincinnati. As health commissioner for the 817,000 people who live in Hamilton County, Kesterman would like to turn that trickle into a flood of doses.
After several phone calls, I think we are seeing a little bit more vaccine this week than we were getting last week as anticipated. So last week I was supposed to get 700 doses this week, and now we're up to 975.
In all, healthcare providers in the county have about 10,000 doses of the vaccine to distribute this week, and they're meeting people where they are. UC Health shared this video showing people being vaccinated in their car inside a parking garage.
It went very smoothly. Stay in the car the whole time. They do all the work and you just answer the questions. I just can't tell people how fortunate I feel.
Kesterman says successful vaccine stories like that one point to a program that's working, even if it's not working as quickly as many would like.
I think the good news when you look at Hamilton County as a whole, we have successfully vaccinated 7.21% of our population. So I think that even though that's only a small percentage, that is a win for us.
Yeah, take the wins when you can get them, right? Now, demand for doses will continue growing because, again, age is not the only factor in determining who's eligible now. As I mentioned this week, hundreds of schools with thousands of workers are now eligible to get vaccinated, so that expanded pool just keeps growing. Reporting live tonight, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.
Now, Todd, is it getting any easier for people to schedule an appointment to get the vaccination?
You know, Ashley, I'd say not really. Here in Hamilton County, getting an appointment can still involve having to reach out to multiple providers, making those calls, trying to get a scheduled appointment. 2 weeks ago, Governor DeWine, during one of his updates, said that his team was trying to develop a scheduling system that would make the process a lot easier. But I reached out to the governor's office today, along with the state's Department of Health. No update at this point on how that effort is coming along. Ashley?
A lot of people frustrated running into roadblocks there. Thanks, Todd Dykes, reporting live for us tonight.